Musician's supervised release examined for compliance with rehabilitation goals. Federal authorities are closely scrutinizing the activities of musician Christopher Dorsey, known professionally as BG, while under supervised release, aiming to determine whether he is adequately reintegrating into society. This examination stems from concerns that Dorsey's recent lyrics and associations may undermine his rehabilitation efforts. Balancing artistic expression and legal obligations. The case has sparked a debate about balancing an artist's constitutional right to free expression and ability to earn a living against the authorities' responsibility to ensure compliance with supervised release conditions. While many in the music industry have criticized the use of rap lyrics as evidence in criminal cases, prosecutors maintain their prerogative to enforce the technical requirements of Dorsey's release plan. Alleged violations of supervised release terms. Prosecutors allege that Dorsey has violated his supervised release conditions by performing alongside fellow rappers with criminal records, including Lil Boosie and Gucci Mane, without obtaining proper clearance. They further claim that his lyrics promote violence and glorify criminal activity, undermining his professed goal of rehabilitation. Prosecutors' concerns and requested modifications. Prosecutors have requested that Judge Susie Morgan clarify and tighten Dorsey's supervised release terms. They propose prohibiting him from working with individuals convicted of felonies unless authorized, requiring court approval for self-employment activities, and restricting travel outside his designated location. Additionally, they have requested that Dorsey submit all song lyrics he creates during his supervised release for review. Defense's arguments for compliance. Dorsey's attorneys contend that he has adhered to his rehabilitation conditions, citing his employment with a nonprofit organization and involvement with a support group for formerly incarcerated individuals. They argue that Dorsey is a positive role model for his community and has made significant progress towards reintegration. Historical context and artist's background. Dorsey, known as BG, Baby Gangsta, was a member of the Hot Boys, a group that gained prominence in the late 1990s with songs about the struggles of life in New Orleans. He was sentenced to prison in 2012 for illegal gun possession, but his sentence was reduced and he was placed under supervised release in 2023. Implications for Hot Boys reunion. Dorsey's legal challenges have cast doubt on the feasibility of a Hot Boys reunion, a prospect that has long been anticipated by fans. The arrest and potential tightening of supervised release conditions put the possibility of the group performing together in jeopardy. Ongoing judicial review. Judge Morgan is tasked with evaluating the evidence and arguments presented by both sides. She will ultimately decide whether Dorsey has adequately complied with his supervised release conditions and whether modifications are warranted. This case serves as a reminder of the challenges faced by musicians who have served time and the complexities of reintegrating into society while navigating the constraints of the criminal justice system.